of NET Life Sciences examination.
In cellular respiration, which of the following processes occur only inside mitochondria and not in the cytoplasm? First, glycolysis and pentose phosphate pathway. Second, glycolysis and citric acid cycle. Third, citric acid cycle and oxidative phosphorylation. And fourth is glycolysis and oxidative phosphorylation. Answer should be citric acid cycle and oxidative phosphorylation. Acetylcholine receptor is an archetype for number one, ligand gated ion channel. Second, ATPase dependent voltage gated ion channel. Third one is the ATPase dependent calcium gated ion channel. And fourth is the ATPase independent voltage gated ion channel. Answer is one, ligand gated ion channel.
Question number third. An organism that has peroxidase and superoxidase dismutase but lacks catalase is most likely an aerotolerant anaerobe, obligate anaerobe, aerotolerant aerobe, facultative anaerobe. Answer is the aerotolerant anaerobe. During DNA replication events at the replication fork required different types of enzymes having specialized function except DNA polymerase III, DNA ligase, DNA gyrase and DNA glycosylase. Answer is DNA glycosylase. Question number 5. Which of the following names is appropriate for the sequence 5' G A N N A U G 3' in the mammalian mRNA? 1. Shine-Dalgarno sequence, 2nd Kojak sequence, 3rd internal ribosome entry sites, 4th translation termination site. Answer is Kojak sequence, Shine-Dalgarno sequence for prokaryotes. Question number 6. Which of the following factors is not true for the low levels of immune response in Plasmodium infection? Number 1. Different types of antigens are expressed at various stages of Plasmodium life cycle, and most of the phases in the life cycle of the Plasmodium are intracellular. Sporozoites are rapidly cleared from blood circulation, and fourth is a Plasmodium infection primarily destroys macrophages and dendritic cells. Answer is the fourth one. Question number 7. Presence of the nuclear localization signal analysis in a steroid receptor indicates that the receptor resides on the nuclear membrane, within the nucleus, on the cell membrane, in the cytosol. Answer is the in the cytosol. Out of the following matrix of oncogenes with proteins that each specifies which one is incorrect? ERBA thyroid hormone receptors, ERBB epidermal growth factor receptors, RAS guanine nucleotides binding proteins with GTPase activity, and fourth FOS platelet derived growth factor. Question number 9. Capitation of the sperms in human occurs during copulation, occurs after the acrosome reaction, takes place in the ampulla of oviduct, takes place in the epididymis of the testis. Answer is the capitation occurs in the ampulla. Question number 10. The interaction energy between atom A and B is 400 calorie per mole. The type of the interaction between them is 1. Pi-pi, 2nd covalent, 3rd ion dipole, and 4th hydrogen bond. So it is equivalent to covalent bond. In 2018, this was a part of the big question of 4 marks. There was mass the column and different bond energy was asked. Question number 11. Glucose residue in amylose are linked by beta 14, alpha 14, alpha 16 and beta 16. So in amylose it is alpha 14. This is the question of 2013 examination. When a membrane is depolarized to a voltage value more positive than the threshold voltage, it leads to the generation of Donan equilibrium, action potential, resting potential, electrochemical potential. So answer is the action potential. Question number 13. Immediate hypersensitive reactions are associated with immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin E, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin A. Answer is the immunoglobulin E. The 14th question, the change in the state of specification of imaginary disk of the Drosophila to that of a different disk type is known as transdetermination, transdifferentiation, transformation and transduction. Transduction is the bacterial genetics related question, and it is the transformation is the change, also bacterial genetics, mode of sexual reproduction. When violent strain, non-violent strain become violent, it is transformation. And answer of this question is transdifferentiation. 15th question. During double fertilization in plant, one sperm fuses with the synergid cell, central cell, antipodal cell and nucellular cell. It fuses with the central cell to form diploid endosperm. Okay, so these previous year's questions are very beneficial for those students who miss their selection by just 5 or 6 marks, means they are marginal loser of selection. Every year, if you see the previous year's contribution to the NET paper is approximately 25 to 30 marks, and some questions are repeated. I have seen 3 and 4 questions repeated twice and thrice. One question, vessels, flowers, etc. This question is repeated thrice. And one question that was density dependent distribution of population was asked twice in June and December examination in same year. And one question I remember, fungi related questions, means one column was with the type of division of fungi like Zygomycota, Chytridomycota and Glomerulomycota, Ascomycota, and another column was their character, just like mycelium and mycelium cynocytic, mycelium is aseptate with pore, and they reproduce by conidia and they form just like mycorrhizae. So this question was repeated twice, I have seen in the question papers. And one question is also for earosicles, mammalian earosicles, Malleus inconsistepus. Twice I saw this question in the examination. Okay, so I think this discussion will help you. Good luck.